Hi, I'm Pam. So today we're going to talk about caring for your dental implants. If you are new to having a dental implant, one thing you'll want to know is you'll want to floss it twice a day. I've got two kinds of floss that you can potentially use. The regular waxed floss is perfectly fine, and if you want to get a little more fancy, you can use it's called expanding floss. It puffs up a little bit and it will remove plaque a little bit more effectively than just the waxed floss. You'll use your floss, you'll go up and use a C-shaped motion and rub your dental implant tooth and come back down, go back up the other side and give it another C-shaped motion around the front part of the tooth. If you have a dental implant supported bridge, you'll want to use one of these things, a floss threader. And you'll just go into that little triangle under your tooth, you'll go under that and pull the floss through and get under your bridge to clean it that way. You'll want to make sure you brush your teeth twice a day, still brushing your dental implants along the gum line, using big C-shaped circular motions. We also highly recommend these TP brushes. They are an interdental brushing tool that does a great job for cleaning in between your implants. So you'll definitely want to come and see your dental professional to get the right size for your dental needs. And last but not least, you will want to see your dental hygienist on a regular basis, someone that knows how to clean dental implants. They use a special rubber tip tool to get under the gums and clean where you may not be able to reach. That finishes my tutorial on dental implant cleaning. Thanks for watching.